Hello and welcome to another Igloo imaging tutorial. This is on drawing a heart icon in Illustrator. Hopefully the fastest way you'll ever draw one. Let's get started. Document setup is 1920 pixels wide by 1080 pixels high. And the colors you're going to need are here. The normal red is CMYK values, 100 magenta, 100 yellow. Same for the darker one, but with 10% black in. And then white is just a white, 0 across the board. Okay, there's loads of different ways to draw hearts in Illustrator, but hopefully this is going to be the fastest one you've ever done. Up to your rounded rectangle tool, you could see the rectangle tool or the ellipse tool, but you want the rounded rectangle tool. Click and drag and hold, and using the cursors, depending on what you see, you might see something like that. You want to hit the up cursor until it's completely rounded, and something along those lines is perfect. Go to the corner and hold Shift and rotate 45 degrees. Press Command C, Command Shift V, which is paste in place, copy and paste in place. Get to that other corner point and start to rotate it and hold Shift and snap it over the other side. Then select both the shapes, and in your Pathfinder, if you can't see it, go up to Windows and Pathfinder. You're just going to hit this one here, which is Divide. And all we've done there is split these shapes up into separate shapes. Then we can select them individually with A. So press A, select that one, hit delete, select that one, hit delete, press V, select all these shapes, and again in Pathfinder hit Unite. That's our heart done in less than a minute. With direct select, select this bottom anchor point and the rounded corners and just round it off slightly. So now what we're going to do is the reflection. We're going to select the ellipse tool, click and drag out, so roughly the size, change the color, roughly the size of the circle there. We want it to be somewhere along, shrink it down a little bit, somewhere along those lines where you've got this even distance around the circle. So with this selected, hold Alt until you see two cursors and click and drag. We'll change the top color of that one, make it a bit bigger holding Shift, and move it around until it looks about right. Then with V, select the underneath one, hold Shift, select the top one, and back to Pathfinder minus front. And we can change this to white. Now to get the little line across it, dead easy, just hit the Illustrator, hit the eraser tool, use the left and right square brackets to up the size, but we want something fairly small. Select your shape, hit eraser, and just quickly drag a line across. Something like that looks fine. We're going to do the shadow on this right hand side. So select your heart, press Command C, Command Shift V, and Command C, Command Shift V again. Using, or change it to orange or whatever, different color. Make it a bit bigger, hold Shift, just a little bit bigger, and move it slightly until we get the decent sort of shadow that we want. Don't worry about that bit too much. Select this one here with V, press Shift, select the top one, again minus front, and we'll just direct select with A this little piece that we don't want, hit delete, select our shadow and make it the darker red that we've done. That is the quickest way to draw a heart icon in Illustrator. If you can find a quicker way, please let me know. I hope that was useful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.